In this video, we are going to see that if you come across an error in Google Docs that says unable to load file, try to load it again and or send an error report. So we are going to see a couple of solutions that might work for you to overcome this. First of all, just try changing the browser to any other browser. So let's say if you're using Google Chrome, you might need to switch to Brave browser or any other browser that you like. But still, if it is unable to solve the problem, what you can do is, let's say we are using Brave browser, we need to clear the history, clear the browsing data history. Let's say for the Brave browser, we click on this 3 lines. Otherwise, on the other ones, you can see the 3 dots here. Just go to the history and click on history. Select delete browsing data. And it will show you the time range option. I'll set it to all time. And just keep in mind to check all the options, whether it's browsing history, cookies, cached images, all should be cleared. But just make sure to save the credentials or any other important data, because that might not suggest you after that. And then just click on delete data or clear data. And after that, just close out of here, close all, and you need to relaunch the browser, whatever browser you are using, and the problem should be gone. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.